guys. Do you have any?
Can I borrow your mask?
Yeah, wait, yeah.
Where is it?
We have to wear mask, okay? Wait. Wait, we're stuck! Help us out! Which mask are you going to wear? That one, okay. One for Jossu, one for me. Graciela, you have to wear mask. You want the pink one? Okay. Okay, we're ready to go. I think you're crazy. Come on. Hati-hati ya, Mbak. Hey. Ayo, where? Let's go to the Hypermart. Okay, let's go. It's that way. Come on. Coca-Cola. Yeah, that's true. I'm here.
What are you doing?
I'm just having fun with my life. I want coffee. It's a nightclub. That's a party. Kak, hey, this is like yours. The one I bought from America. Oh, look at this. This is, what is this? You have already that one.
Yeah, I don't. I want Gracy. I want squishy. Can I have some squishy?
Which one do you
Two
want?
squishy.
Which one, which squeezy do you want? Jossu, oh no. Loh, maskernya Jossu, oh dilepas. That's a box. What is it for? My goodness, this is just literally like a box. This is happy birthday. Read it. Whose birthday is it?
Please, I want
For what? We're not doing stupid shopping.
please.
3 items. Okay, what do you want for the last one? Wow, why do you need a happy birthday box? Whose birthday is it? No one's. But it's no one's birthday.
For keeping my stuff.
Yeah, but it's no one's birthday. It's useless. Better you buy a ball pen. Jossu, what do you want? Ooh, this is so cute. What is this
It's a
one?
pen.
Is it? It's squeezy. Do you like this, Jossu? Ooh. Yeah? Wait, what is she doing here? Kakak? What do you want? Let me see. Yep. What does it say here? Are you giving those for someone?
No.
It says, hello, best wishes for you. Who are you writing these cards for?
For me.
For yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, one only, yeah?
But I want the
Okay, let's go.
Oh, I have to find a box. There we go. That's
How many items do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4. I want Gracie.
You already have two in your hand. Okay.
No. I can't turn this.
Please don't. One girl.
From there to this.
Pick one squeezy for your soup. She also wants squeezy. Oh, how about that one? This one. Warnanya begini ya.
Yes, I think she wants. Let me ask her which one she wants.
Okay. Don't put it to your mouth, please.
Jossu.
She wants that. Okay, put it back.
Ooh.
What are these? Apa nih? Kutak ya? Nail polish. Ya? Ready?
No, I'm gonna take from this one.
Ayo kak. Let's go. Kita kan mau ke Hypermart kakak. Ayo.
I want.
Ayo cepetan sudah.
Excuse me. It's a marker.
No, it is a nail polish.
It's a marker. Look.
Oh. Yeah, but it's nail polish but with this style, like marker style.
No, it's a.
It says here literally nail polish.
Oh
Oh no, Jossu's running away. Oh no. She's heavy.
I got her.
Jangan kak. It's such a cute bag. Uh-oh. Now we're going. You're scared. Oh no. You're such a child. Mana squishy-nya, Dek? Yay! You got your squishy, alright? No, it's not that good.
I want the bag.
I'm going. Do you know what we need?
Huh?
Do you know what we need?
No.
Shaving cream, baking soda, baking something. Okay, let's go. Come on. Maybe you should ask. Okay. What do you have there, Jossu? Uh-oh. Oh no. You put your squeezy there. be here? No. He's just a child. We still haven't found the baking soda, have we? We still haven't found the baking soda. Garamnya. May garam.
Jossu! Ayah, can you do this?
And then that's punyanya Jossu.
What are you doing?
Let's try to find the baking soda before they do. I have a sense that we are close. No idea. Cannot find it. Yay, we found. Yeah, this is baking soda. Hold on to it. We need it. Why not? Kakak, here. The food coloring. Ouch. Okay, let's go play. This one has different flavors. Ayo masukin. Put it to the cup. Ayo. Ya.
Have candy.
Okay, sure. Let's go buy candy. Masukin adek. Ini harus ditimbang tahu. Ini harus ditimbang. Ini apa ini? Candy apa ini? Jossu mau. Jossu udah candy. Ini kakak yang ini. Ini anak kita. Lihat. Udah satu aja cukup. Satu aja. Udah ya? Emangnya Graciela bisa mamgam?
Ini.
What is this? This is bubble gum loh, Grace. Pas kakak getting. Kak, jatuh kak. Ya? What is that? Okay. Itu. Buat Jossu satu, ayo ambilin. Oke. They're not little. Actually pretty big.
We found the blue. Now we're gonna go to the blue.
Where? That's true.